Got a boutique that reorders from you every few months, or a regular at the farmer's market who always buys too? That's a customer worth tracking. A customer record in Ardent Seller keeps their address, their contact info, and their pricing, so the right prices flow in automatically every time you ring up a sale. Let me show you how to set one up. In the sidebar, open the Deliver section. That's where everything on the sales side of your business lives. Click Customers, and you'll land on your customer list. To add a new one, hit Add Customer in the top right. The Create Customer panel slides open on the right. The name is the only required field, so let's start there. We'll call this one Hearth and Honey Market, a fictional boutique. Everything else on this panel is optional, and it's arranged in the order you'd naturally fill it in. Who they are, how to reach them, where to ship, and then how they're priced. Now, the contact info. Who's the person you actually talk to at this shop? We'll put in Sophia Reyes as the contact, along with a phone number and email. Toss in a website too if they have one. None of this is required, but filling it in now means no digging through old emails when you need to reach them. Scroll down to the address section and drop in where their orders ship. Street, city, state, postal code, and country. The whole package. Once it's saved here, every invoice and packing slip you generate for this customer pulls the address automatically. Below the address is Sales Settings, and this is the section that earns its keep. Default pricing tier is the shortcut. If this shop always gets wholesale pricing, pick the tier here once, and every sale you record for them starts at those prices. We'll choose Wholesale. Under that, a price list lets you go further and pin specific per-product prices for this one customer. You can drop them into a customer group, record a referral source so you know which channel brought them in, and flip the tax-exempt switch for resale accounts. New sales to them will default tax to 0. Give it a quick once-over, then hit Create Customer at the bottom. A confirmation toast pops up, the panel closes, and Hearth and Honey Market now shows up in your customer list, ready to attach to the very next sale you record. And that's your customer on file. Next time you record a sale, you can pick Hearth and Honey Market from the drop-down, and the wholesale pricing tier kicks in automatically. If this was helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more Ardent Seller tutorials. Head over to ardentseller.app to try it free.